Have you been experiencing severe pain in the back of your eye that feels like a headache? I will show you a simple way to help get rid of it. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, it's Mike Wong, physiotherapist at East West Physiotherapy, where we blend Eastern and Western treatment techniques to help improve your health. Retro-orbital headache, or behind the eye headache, can be disabling at worst and annoying at the least. In this video, I will show you how to use this easy but powerful acupressure point to relieve this. It's a point that's very helpful for a lot of problems, but can be used specifically for behind the eye headaches. Before you use this point, you want to make sure that you're not pregnant because this point can induce labor. The point is called liver 3 in traditional Chinese medicine and is a nerve point that is found between the web space of the big toe and the second toe. When you apply pressure on this point, it'll be noticeably more achy and sore. Simply massage this area at the same time for 30 seconds on both feet and repeat this 3 times. Reassess your headache afterwards and see if the massage made a difference in your symptoms. If you are busy or your hands and fingers are tight, painful or tired, and you like another alternative, you can use an electrical stimulation device called a TENS unit. If you'd like to see how you can properly set this TENS up to simulate acupuncture, check this video out up here. You can use this TENS machine set to acupuncture setting using the parameters of 200 microseconds and 4 Hz. Place the pads on liver 3 on both feet and increase the intensity to strong but comfortable. It is normal to have a little bit of twitching in the toes and foot. Use this for about 15 minutes and reassess your headache to see if that has helped. You may repeat this 3 to 5 times a day if you like. Simple, eh? Let me know in the comments below if this has helped you and if you have any questions. See you next time.